Every revolution, nama change sama la ke hai the media khangde citizen khangde like kai club khangde mai bel chin now Manipur awon man purak paisidi akhoi pulak purak kadamina ai khatana ya bona teva. So I think this is my appeal. I think it's a fight between those who want to fight for the dignity and well-being of the state of Manipur and for a principle of diversity and dignified life, and those who want to destroy that one. Manipur Tugai ge Kanba Tugai ge na Torok Padu Daba over Taway than a Karim Tangang the Ba, Adugi Mayok Tangang or Kamu the Sidaba, Aduga Manipur Tugai ge Kanba Kambu do they do the English Tamquege surreptitiously Mateng Pangzanba Group Anigi Warne Haitam, Manipur gi Izat Lane Hingnaba. Hotna bakangbu magamadugi mayok talay magi fightness. So there's a kin fight between the two high tawni.
Zabu ko salam tak jaw.
Hi, have you?
Koi BJP ki candidate koi ge thongrom basnu kumar na photo matungina. India ki parliamentary system ji Westminster model chatna ba mo rega. Opposition ki MP ota gadi matam yang na phangoi wanga wo phangoi kanaro hai wo hon thab si matang ji kari.
Mokhoi ki party ki leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee namalay ramiko. And in 1984 election matungda massive mandate Congress and Lapunma gave a government without opposition say. Parliamentary system of democracy is a fast train without break high. Opposition yauda let's not assume that Congress and its allied will be in the opposition and the BJP will rule this country again. Assumption is vote loitering either ko. Adu near hiding eko. I ngasai so haizagi duni Manipur da akhoi si chatlagai si huji campaign tawaya ama tawayum chatlagai phamung ama leirong ani chana ba leirong ani set na ba fi leiri aduna tabi da tha tarama thoi mayum ma kei thadu leiri ba mayam se santi leire akhoi kana luhong odong zum thoi natra normal loiba mali se oi da ba kangbu ma leiri se khoi kaw loi dam ne bi sin na ngak thani irei chang ngak thane irang je tholei bi se ko so I Gahan by no Nagado say, Makoi say, is that Lena Mayumak Ida Pazana Mohanjalaga Hanagi Fibumda. Take the Kaidan and Lena Bahonabado. Madune Egi major effort. A she out rega the Equinus Hanti lay highway states the Shungaya Roy. So I am saying is that my first priority is to ensure that these displaced people go back to their original home and can lead a normal life and dignified life. That will be my effort, because without that we can say that we have normalcy in the state. All of us have a normal life. You can go back, I can go back home, I can have a bed to sleep, I have clothes to wear. But these people do not have it for the last 11 months. We shouldn't forget that. It's a traumatic experience. All of us think that we have a normal life. You guys are taking interview. You have clothes to wear, you can go back home. These people don't have it. And it is a stark reminder to us, as long as they're traumatized, we must feel their trauma. If you don't feel their trauma, then we are not citizens of this land.
Thousands of people were displaced. Did you think that these people will be supporting you as a candidate to represent?
I know, I'm expecting that anybody who loves Manipur will be behind me.
Okay, thank you. Ngasigi oina, aikoigi India block ki oina, Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency da aikoigi Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam mak ki nomination file complete tawbo loire. Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency da Alfred Kangamathar mak ki nomination file loire. Aduna India block ki thadokwa ni mak successfully nomination file tawbo ga loina aikoi Yamna Chauna Tazava candidate both inner and outer say. So I don't my Pakangam Gani Havagi Tazava say. I call Miamgi support say, so I don't like any Havagi Tazava legend.
BJP center the Sitami Hanga my Pakani Amcos Modigami Lakni have the Riam Tobium.
The Hyjan be double engine government. I quite me am what say. I quite was suffered to say. Hyjan be double engine government give a card that way. Okay, thank you.